AI social media tools won't replace your voice. They just take the slow part off your plate. The blank caption, the "what do I post today" stall. Most owners think the hard part is creativity. For social, the hard part is showing up every week, and that's exactly what these tools fix. Start with the writing, because that's usually the bottleneck. Tools like Jasper and Copy give you platform-ready captions and post variations in seconds. You're not publishing the first draft. You're editing a strong one, which is far faster than staring at a blank screen. Then add scheduling. Buffer and later recommend your best posting times. Auto caption from an image and show you which formats are actually landing. Pair one writing tool with one scheduler. That's the whole stack most small businesses need. And if you post visuals, lean on Canva's AI or Adobe Firefly for on-brand graphics. With a caption tool beside them, you can produce a week of content in one sitting across Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube. Here's the real win with AI social media tools. Consistency beats brilliance on social. The algorithms reward the accounts that simply show up. And a steady week compounds into reach over time. So the goal isn't more clever posts. It's a repeatable weekly hour you actually keep. We've got a lot more waiting for you at aprostudios.com.